Hello everyone, welcome to my channel of DesignHeart. Long time I don't give video for my channel, have some problem. Now I will continue make videos for my honorable viewers. Today I will show how to create a love logo for couple. It's also called couple logo, who use it on their business. If you are interested in this logo concept, watch the tutorial until the end and learn how to create this logo. So subscribe the channel, inspire me and support my work and learn something new. Also thanks if already subscribed. Let's go. I will show how to create this project. At first I need a new document. So right click on your mouse, click new document. I use 200 by 200 pixel artboard size, RGB color mode and 300 resolution. Hit to create. Now at first go to rectangle. I need rectangular tool. Go to rectangular tool and click on your mouse 100 by 500 pixel and then hit OK. Click there and hit drag down and hold on your shift and alt key, shift key and rotate it 45-degree angle. Then right click on your mouse, go to transform and reflect. Then hit copy. Then hold this one and drag it and put it here. Select everything, go to shape builder tool, hold on alt key and cut it. Release alt key and join it. Then fill color none, stroke color black. I use stroke 100. Then go click this one and hold on shift and alt key on your keyboard and drag it like that. Now I need a ruler to some calculation. Press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard and press Ctrl and take it and release it. Right click on your mouse and unlock guide. Then select everything, align to artboard, make sure and horizontal line center, click and vertical line center. Then select guide and lock guide. Go to rectangular, again click in middle and hold alt and shift key and drag it. Again go to line tool and use on PT. Go to line tool, click there, hold on shift key and drag it. Select this one, alt key, press alt key, make a copy, 3 copy. Select it, select this one and select this one and select this one. Make sure align to selection and go to vertical distribute center. Then select everything, Ctrl plus 2, lock it and go to again line tool and click this one, hold on shift key and click this one. This time I use 100 pt. Now I need to create arrow. So go to align polygonal tool and hold on shift key and rotate it 270 degrees. Go to select direct selection tool and select it and delete it. Go to selection tool, select it and hold on alt key and make it what you want. I think it's okay and I can satisfy and select this one, click it and put it middle. Again go to line tool, hold on shift key, put it like that. Select both the go to again line tool and click it. select second delete this one, again select and unselect it and unite it. Now I create using MS logo. So already done our logo. Then go to text tool, get this one, this time 72. I use Gotham Gotham black. And I have minimalist logo. Put your tagline. Gotham Co. And select this one. Gotham Pro.
Baby, sen är ni late, lecz kunde mój spam. Hade dig tre, det sannet på Android.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't.
Divide 1.600.
Every brother is caught in the crossfire.
Need rectangular. Click it and drag it. Shift Ctrl plus Ctrl G. Delete it. ungroup, select and go to create outline. Control plus G like a group. Then I use background. Go to 200 by 200 pixel. Align to artboard. Medium. Shipping. Okay. I use gradient. Already create design.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt.
This one or this side. And clip it. Now ungroup it and mark a side and clip it.
It'll be hard to watch your cash when the van keep dropping. Got the big Ford on me, so my pants keep
Party's over and you don't look so good.
Ha baby, sen har ni lately esconde moj spam. Edhe dhe I trezë, sanet po ndrojnë të më koni njëti. Po është jam.
You can customize what you want.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt.
Okay, done. If you like my video, hit the like button and comment below option. Thank you for watching my tutorial. I love it.